Hi! We're making chicken liver pâté that is creamy and great for banh mis. Start by soaking cleaned liver in milk for about an hour. In a pan over medium heat, melt unsalted butter until bubbly. Then add shallots and cook until translucent. Add garlic and let that cook for about 30 seconds or so. Drain the chicken liver and add to the pan. Also add in salt, white pepper, and 5-spice seasoning. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. The chicken liver should still be pink in the center at this point. Then add bourbon or cooking wine. Let the mixture reduce for a couple of minutes, and the liver is cooked through. But don't overcook it. Transfer the mixture into a food processor. Blend for about a minute. Add unsalted butter and heavy cream to the food processor, and then blend until the mixture is smooth. Divide pâté into containers. Cover with clarified butter or plastic wrap to prevent discoloration. Let set in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Enjoy! For full recipe, tips, and more visit cravings.com.